Best investment advice. What if the most valuable investment wisdom had nothing to do with stock picks or market timing? What if the secret to building lasting wealth was actually about mastering your own mindset and following a few timeless principles that never go out of style? The single most important investment you will ever make is in your own financial education. Understanding how money works, how markets behave, and how emotions influence decisions will serve you better than any hot stock tip. This knowledge becomes your compass, helping you navigate through market noise and emotional turbulence. Start early and stay consistent. The magic of compound growth means that regular investments over decades can create extraordinary results. It's not about investing large sums, it's about investing consistently. Setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts makes this process effortless and removes the temptation to time the market. Diversification is your most reliable shield against uncertainty. Instead of trying to pick individual winners, spread your investments across different asset classes and geographic regions. Low-cost index funds and ETFs make this approach accessible to everyone, allowing you to own small pieces of hundreds of companies through a single investment. The most successful investors understand that they're not just buying stocks, they're becoming business owners. This mindset shift encourages long-term thinking and helps you weather market volatility. Focus on the underlying value of the businesses you own rather than daily price fluctuations. Cost control might seem mundane, but its impact is profound. Every dollar you save on fees and expenses remains invested and compounds over time. Pay close attention to expense ratios, transaction costs, and tax implications. These silent, wealthy rotors can significantly impact your long-term returns. Perhaps the most challenging skill to master is emotional discipline. Markets will fluctuate, but making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed often leads to poor outcomes. Having a clear investment plan and sticking to it during market ups and downs is what separates successful investors from the crowd. Remember that the best investment strategy is the one you can maintain through different market conditions. It should align with your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. What works for your neighbor might not be suitable for your situation. True investing success is measured not in quarterly returns, but in achieving your life goals. Whether that's financial independence, educating your children, or leaving a legacy, keep your eyes on these personal milestones rather than trying to outperform the market every year. If this perspective on investing resonated with you, we'd appreciate you liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Join our community of thoughtful investors who are building their financial futures one smart decision at a time.